Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can blur out something in your videos on CapCut PC. So for instance, you accidentally filled something important and you want to just blur it out. For instance, this area right here. So I'm just going to copy and paste the video. Go to the effects section and search for the blur. You can search for effects here. I already have mine in favorites. So I'm just going to add in blur here. You can adjust how blurry you want the blur to be. Then you're going to select the video, go to mask, and you're going to select rectangle or circle or anything that best covers the information up. And you're just going to feather it out just a little so that the corners aren't too weird. And you can adjust the blur back here in effects if it's too blurry. Maybe this much is good. That's pretty much it. You can also use the mosaic one as well. So here I'm just going to go to the blur and I'm going to delete that. I'm going to add in the mosaic one here instead, and you can adjust how blurry you want it to be. And that's pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!